here are the bank statements that we're going to be processing. These are fake, but they've been made to match the BNP Abu Dhabi format. The complicated thing here is that the columns have been separated by these capitalized I's that need to be separated and extracted and discarded before they ruin the other information that's available on the statement. They're obviously not part of the dates or the descriptions, so they just need to be removed. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a bespoke statement reader template. We're going to just make sure that that matches the structure of this document. So in Statement Reader, we're going to go to UAE, BNP Abu Dhabi, and we're just going to double check that thumbnail. The column headings match the document that we have to process. We're going to browse for the document that we're processing and we've been sent. And if we process that into Excel, we've also got a repair summary that's automatically popped up here. We've got 99.75% accurate on that data. And in Excel, we've got some shading here. So we've got a transaction here that didn't have an amount, and so that's a potential error. So we've got a hyperlink here. We can go to that page, which is the first page. And you can see here, we've got two zeros, or we've got a zero here against the transaction for a refund debit on the 5th of January. And that's that one, so it's just flagged it up to the user. It's a potential error. In fact, it was an error on the input, but it's a good example of the validation that the Statement Reader application is doing before the data is extracted into Excel. And that's it. We've processed the PDF into Excel and validated that data.